Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss nervous tissue, that is a type of animal tissue, and this nervous tissue is responsible for the conduction of nerve impulses. So let's get started. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, that is a type of animal tissues and let us discuss their features. All cells of our body possess the ability to respond to stimuli. However, the cells of nervous tissues are highly specialized cells to respond to stimuli. That means it transmits signals from one cell to other cells, other cells within our body. So, cells are these are highly specialized cells. These are highly specialized cells to response to stimuli. You might have heard respond to stimuli in the earlier classes. This response to stimuli means react or reaction, or this stimuli means change, and this change can be of external as well as internal. So, living organisms, whenever come in contact with other objects or other surface, it responds or it reacts. So, for example, hot objects. Whenever we touch hot objects, we quickly put our hand back. Why we do so? We do so because our cells transmit signals to the brain that this object is hot, and then we respond. So, respond to stimuli is the characteristic of living beings in which it reacts or it responds to any change, and that change can be external or internal. Now the next point is cells of nervous tissue. Cells of nervous tissues are called nerve cells or neurons. Nerve cells or neurons. Cells of nervous tissue are known as nerve cells or neuron cells. We all know that these are the longest cell in our body. Longest cell, nerve cell, and its size is 1 meter. So, our brain, our spinal cord and nerves all are made of nerve cells. Brain, spinal cord and nerves all are made of nerve cells, and these nerve cells are highly specialized for the conduction of messages to the brain via cells. Now let's see the structure of nerve cell. Structure of nerve cell. It consists of a cell body. This cell body comprises of the nucleus and cytoplasm. And this is the central part that contains nucleus, and this extended part is known as axons, and this is nerve ending. This is nerve ending. That means nerve is going to end here. So these are nerve endings. And this axon is covered by a layer called myelin sheath. This is covered by another layer called myelin sheath, and this myelin sheath works as insulators. So let us label it. This is the cell body. Cell body or cyton. This is also known as cyton, and this is comprises of the nucleus and cytoplasm. And these hair-like structures are called dendrites. This extended part is known as axon, and this axon is covered by a layer called myelin sheath. Myelin sheath. This myelin sheath is made of cells called Schwann cells. These are made of cells called Schwann cells. Also, there are gaps found between the axon. These gaps are known as node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier. And these are the nerve endings. Nerve is going to end here, so this is known as nerve ending. So this is the figure of, so this was the figure of nerve cell, and in this nerve cell has a cytoplasm, a central nucleus, and this hair-like structures are called dendrites. This is cell body or cyton. This extended part is known as axon. Axon has an outer layer known as myelin sheath that works as insulators, and these myelin sheaths are made of cells known as Schwann cells. And also there are gaps found in between the axons, and these gaps are known as node of Ranvier. And this is the nerve ending, that nerve is going to end here, so it is known as nerve ending. So this is the figure of nerve cells. Now let us see the function of nerve cells. Function of nerve cells. Conduction of nerve impulses. That is, it transmits message or signals transmit signals to the brain via cells, and it also enables us nerve impulses enables us to move our muscles. We can move our muscles or react or do any response because of this nerve impulse. And this nerve impulse is whenever signals are transmitted to the brain via cells, this is called nerve impulse. Transmission of signal from cell to the brain is called nerve impulse. So this is all about nervous tissue. Thank you.